Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to open an SVG or WebP image file and convert them into JPEG or PNG. First, if you want to preview an SVG file, just right-click on it and open it with Windows Default Photo Viewer. As you can see, it can't open the file. Open your web browser and search for XNView. Go to the official link. Now download the installation file for Windows or Mac. After that, just install the exe file or DMG file. Finally, open XNView. To open an SVG or WebP file, click on File, then Open. Now go to your file location and select your SVG or WebP image. It will instantly open the image file, no matter if it is an SVG or WebP extension. To convert to PNG or JPEG, just go to the File menu. Next, select Save As. Now select PNG or JPEG format from the Save As type dropdown, and click Save. If you go to your folder, you will see that your SVG or WebP image is converted to PNG or JPEG. Now you have your original SVG or WebP file, plus your converted PNG or JPEG versions ready to view. You can view them with Windows Photo Viewer as well. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides, and if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.